Planning to switch to Linux? Today I'll show you something great you can do before installing a distro. As you know, there are many of them out there, each offering something different, and you might not know which one to choose at first. I mean, you probably did some research and found some beginner-friendly options, but no amount of research can replace what I'm about to show you. Visit distro.com. This is a very useful website which allows you to actually test drive Linux distributions directly in your browser. So, you choose the distro you want to try out, and afterwards you wait for it to load. Now, do note that this is a small community project and it seems they struggle to cope with everyone, so you might be put in a queue, and also the Linux experience will be a bit sluggish when it loads. However, I find it very useful still. So while I showcase what this site can do, I want to say a little more about how I found it. Actually, it was by accident. I needed some Linux footage for my previous video, and since I couldn't access Linux at the moment, I decided to search the web for something, and so I happened to find the website. As you can see, Linux is running from the disk right now, all without installation. And the good thing about it is that you can do whatever you want here. You can try out your favorite apps and see what will work with Linux and what won't. You can use the terminal and install Wine, for example, then test some Windows apps you might want, or you could compare different distributions. This website is also very useful if you are distro hopping. Now that I said it, you could also test some random commands in the terminal which you found online so that you know if they will destroy your computer or they will be useful, after all, to fix the problem you are facing. And this is not a sponsored video, by the way, I just reviewed the website, which really is useful in my opinion. Thanks for watching, please subscribe, and as you can see, I use Arch, by the way.